Okay, we're at Menards. Here we go.
Big money.
Oh my God. Showers! Ow! Big Mama needs a shower.
I need these things to my God.
Wait up! Oh my God, I'm sorry. Guys, let's go.
You're gonna make me sit?
Why do you have it zoomed in so much?
Oh, they're short for Big Mom.
What up?
Olga and Moga.
Olga and Molga are at Menards.
That's my umbrella. My Easter egg.
Oh, guys, this is fun.
My torches. Lexi,
Take
our
it.
torches.
Big Mama's coming for you.
A riot.
Oh, yeah, guys, come on, let's go. It's like those speed bumps.
Excuse me.
Oh, guys, let's go upstairs.
I don't think
You guys want to go out there?
I don't think yeah.
Gives a shit. You guys see the guy I ran into?
Yeah. That's Big Mama's gazebo.
Here you go, buddy. Oh, let's ride that thing out there. Push the guy off.